Unbox the Pro V3 heated dive suit with us. Here, we are taking it out of the box and out of its packaging. It comes with an instructional guide and manual in different languages. It also comes with batteries, a remote controller, O-ring grease, and a laundry bag for wash and care. It comes with 2 batteries. One battery goes on each side of the vest. Here, we are going to give the batteries a test run to see how they work. Each battery pocket includes a cap connector that you twist until tight to make sure the battery is fully connected. To turn on the battery, we have to hold and press down for about 3 seconds. Then we are going to do the same thing on the other side for the second battery. One of our most frequently asked questions is if both batteries are necessary. We recommend you use 2 batteries to prolong the overall life of your vest and batteries. Now, we are going to charge the remote so we can turn it on and adjust the heat settings. So you click it 3 times until all 3 lights light up, and that's it. Now, we're ready to go for a dive.